Annoyed by YouTube autoplaying videos? Here's how to turn off autoplay on YouTube fast on both desktop and the mobile. Okay, let's go ahead and open one of YouTube video where I want to show you what happened when autoplay is turned on. So here is my one of the video. I am taking it to the end. You can see here that my video is ended and next video started automatically in few seconds. So here you could see that autoplay toggle is turned on. You could just go ahead and turn it off right away from here. Let's go ahead and take this video to the end again. Now this video gets ended and we got some of video suggestion here, but it's not autoplaying the next video. Now let's quickly see how we can turn it off on the mobile phone. Just quickly go ahead and open up a YouTube app on your mobile phone. And here is my YouTube video showing on the screen. You could see the toggle button on the top of this video. I could go ahead and turn it off and on as I want. And that's it, how you turn autoplay off or on YouTube on both computer and mobile app. Now when video ends, you will just see suggestions and nothing will play automatically. No login needed, but if you want YouTube to remember the setting, it's better to stay signed in. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Bye.